Do you know what the main difference between smartphone and a regular camera? Sensor size? Not really. Camera weight? Close, but not. Often I choose to use my iPhone instead of camera because it's more convenient and faster. But what if you want to use full camera features like lens filters? That's where the Tiffen Smartphone 58mm filter mount comes in. It actually works with any iPhone equipped with MagSafe in order to connect. iPhone 15, 15 Pro Max, 14, all of them.
Except iPhone 12. It's too old.
I already told you. And now I can screw on any of my Tiffen filters which are made in USA with color core technology. Simple as that. Here's my top 3 favorite Tiffen filters I use all the time. First one is Black Promise. It gives beautiful glow in bright areas of the frame. Second one, Polarizer. With this one you can eliminate any reflection in glass or water or wherever you want. And my favorite, Star Filter. It simply creates this star effect around the whole frame. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comment section which of these filters would you choose.